everybody, welcome back. We're just about to do part 2. Start stripping down the intake manifold and have a look and see what we can see there. Alrighty. So first thing we'll do is rip off the fuel roll. There we go. Still had a bit of fuel left in it. I managed to get 2 of the injectors with it that time. Grab these other 2 out now. Alright, if you ever change injectors, always remember to replace your O-rings, because they will crack and they do get old and they're no good. Alrighty, so now I've done that, we'll get this manifold off. Pretty sure that's all I needed to do there. Get most of that in there. Yuck. So there you go, that's the head gasket off. Oh, sorry, the manifold gasket off. The manifold off, that's the gasket. This is a water jacket here. That's a water jacket there, so that there could have been a bit ordinary. Didn't look that bad, but it's a bit hard to tell. Can't really see any witness marks of water coming through here, but that is one way that water will get into the intake manifold. We'll have a look on here. There's no witness marks there really of water getting through here either. So yeah, and I'm not sure if you can see down there, I can't see any holes through that way either. So yeah, so that is the intake manifold off. Okay, so we've got the manifold off on the bench. We're just having a look to see if there's any holes in between this water jacket here and the intake tube for number 1. As it looks at the moment, I can't really see any holes or anything obvious in there that's causing that water to go into the intake manifold. Like I said before when we were looking at it, there's no real witness marks around here at all where you can see where water might have got through. It's a bit hard to tell though because the gasket didn't hold up to coming off. It's been on there for a while by the look of it. You can see a little bit of corrosion in around here on the intake manifold. And a fair bit of soot and stuff in there as well from where it's been carbonised. So it's got a fair few Ks on this engine. It's about 400,000. So she's done well and truly enough, that's for sure. Okay, so now on the engine itself, on the head, we'll see if we can see anything in this water jacket here. I can't really see anything there either. Get my torque in the right spot if I can. Doesn't look like there's any holes there at all. It's a bit hard to tell though. We might have a better look at it once we get the head off of it. So yeah, you can just see the valve stems and the valves through there, through that intake port. Okay, no worries. Finish this segment off, we'll just take the exhaust manifold off and the dipstick tube, and then that'll give you an idea what you get in a long motor, plus a couple of extra bits. Alrighty. At least we haven't snapped any off yet, touch wood. See, they got these bigger washers here on the exhaust manifold. See, they're a bit thicker, and if you have a look at them you can see that they're angled down. That's to create a higher squashing force, or clamping force I should say, to help with clamping the exhaust manifold on. So that's just a little bit of engineering for anyone that cares. That's right, I've got a couple of nuts on here I forgot about. Drop them on the floor. It's alright, we'll get the apprentice to pick them up later. It's all good. Okay, so that's your exhaust manifold. It's fairly similar to the intake manifold, a lot heavier, made out of cast, and that's just so I can transfer the heat a bit better. Alrighty. So as you can imagine, there's a lot of heat going through there. There are gaskets. Hopefully that'll pop off easily enough. It doesn't look like it's going to. There we go. Righto, so this is basically what you get in a long motor, minus your distributor and a couple of other bits and pieces like this pipe that we've got hanging off here. So in the next episode, I will start taking the top off it. We'll get into the cam gear and the rocker gear, and we'll get into a bit of the nitty gritty of it and start getting the head off, and I'll explain a few of the things inside there that look a bit scary and stuff, and yeah, we'll get into it. So stay tuned, we'll see you again next time. Have a good one.